Diet recipe books are a profitable side dish in the weight loss biz. They're popular because dieters want to save calories and avoid bad ingredients. Millions of cookbooks are sold, even though home cooks prepare the same dishes over and over, relying on a few trusted recipes. Dieters even believe that these recipes themselves have a special magic which will help them in their battle. They willingly shop for extra, unfamiliar ingredients. Then they attempt to make tasty food without salt, sugar, butter, cream, a challenge for professional chefs. They must taste a lot during preparation since these are new, untried recipes. The tastes don't count in their daily allotment. All of these steps because saving calories means one can eat much more and still lose. Diet recipe. Traditional recipe for Alfredo sauce. Ingredients: 1/4 cup butter, 1 cup heavy cream, 1½ cups grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon salt, 1 garlic clove. Mashed. Recipe yields 4 servings of sauce. Skinny version for Alfredo sauce. Ingredients: 8 ounces low-fat cream cheese, 8 ounces fat-free, half and half, 1/4 cup Parmesan, grated 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 garlic clove. Mashed. Recipe yields 4 servings of sauce. Nutritional analysis: calories, protein G, fat G, carbs G, sodium mg, chol mg. Traditional recipe: 439-13-42-3-565-138. Skinny version: 329 7.7 39.25 847 45. Analysis note: in saving 110 calories, the skinny version has triple the carbs, an additional 280 milligrams of sodium and half the protein. Fat-free half and half is corn syrup followed by 2 thickening agents, carrageenan and guar gum. Is this an improvement, then? Obviously the taste of this special dish has been compromised by these substitutions. The dieter loses on satisfaction. Usually this leads to eating another food with a more desirable taste experience to make them feel better. More eating is always the answer, while fewer bites is the sensible and scientific solution so as not to stretch the stomach container.